two understandings. Therefore, I say right understanding is of two kinds. The view that alms and offerings are not useless, that there is fruit and result. You know, being a karma yoga is focused on that, both of good and bad actions, that there are such things in this life and the next life, that father and mother, as spontaneously born beings in the heavenly worlds, are no mere words, that there are monks and priests who are spotless and perfect, who can explain this life and the next life, which they themselves have understood. This is called the mundane right understanding, which yields worldly fruits, which brings good results. But whatsoever there is of wisdom, of penetration, of right understanding, conjoined with the path, the mind being turned away from the world and conjoined with the path, the holy path being turned away from the world and conjoined with the path, the holy path being pursued, this is called the ultra mundane right understanding, which is not of the world, but is ultra mundane and conjoined with the path. Thus, there are two kinds of the Eightfold Path, the mundane practiced by the worldling and the ultra mundane practiced by the noble ones. Now, in understanding wrong, understanding as wrong, and right understanding is right, one practices right understanding. First step. And in making efforts to overcome wrong understanding and to arouse right understanding, one practices right effort. Sixth step. And in overcoming wrong direction with attentive mind and dwelling with attentive mind in the possession of right understanding, one practices right attentiveness. Seventh step. Hence, there are three things that accompany and follow upon right understanding, namely right understanding, right effort, and right attentiveness.